Today, have a reading practice using basic sentences.
Let's read. Troy has good health. Troy has good health. Let's read. I read a newspaper. I read a newspaper. Let's read. Rhea is a beautiful girl. Rhea is a beautiful girl. Let's read. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Let's read. Jane has a pen. Jane has a pen. Let's read. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. Let's read. I have to eat. I have to eat. Let's read. It was a tasteful cookies. It was a tasteful cookies. Let's read. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Let's read. I love my friends. I love my friends. Let's read. I am feeling happy. I am feeling happy. Let's read. It is very cold today. It is very cold today. Let's read. I have a new tie. I have a new toy. Let's read. Bring a glass of, juice. Bring a glass of juice. Let's read. Donnie is an intelligent boy. Donnie is an intelligent boy. Let's read. My dog is big. My dog is big. Let's read. The flower is pink. The flower is pink. Let's read. I see a car. I see a car.